Hi everyone, I just wanted to talk about swaddling first and show you how to do it. It's very simple. This is the easiest way to keep your baby content whilst you're going to try and be getting some photographs of them with your phone. So what you need to do is to take their blanket, nice and plain one, and make a triangular shape, fold it in half. You need to place your baby's shoulders level to the edge of the blanket, like that. And you're literally going to make sure their nappy's on. You're going to pop their hand there like that. Wrap over one side, tuck it in, bring the hand back round and wrap over the other side and tuck that under. There you go. Your baby is going to be a lot better like this. There's no chance for it to fling its arms up or kick its legs out, and the reason why I always start with a swaddle shot is so baby remains nice and calm, and so I can get like a full head shot, and then we're going to get a full body shot, and then we're going to turn the baby towards the light, and this light coming in here, we're going to capture all the features. We're going to do the eyelashes, the nose and the lips, and we're going to do a side profile shot. Okay, there we go, that's swaddling.